Yung silencer na tuslog buwa. Her favorite style. Wash first before eating. Okay, guys, make it sure your food is washed first before eating. Okay, look at Julia, and then and then drink the water after. Very clean, guys. Watch and learn. That's the good way for eating. Wash first before eating. Okay, guys. Wow, nice. Yummy. Ganyan, guys. Ganyan lang. Oh, diba? Oh, sarap. Chalop. Chalop, guys. Chalop. Smile din. Smile. Ear face. Smile. Smile. Smile.